Hello ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining us again. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Here walking around a 2019 Ram 2500 diesel Bighorn. We started making these walk-arounds as a way of being as transparent as possible to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. But if you're on our website and would like to see those, just scroll down. They're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description which highlights features and options of the Bighorn, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see either one of those, plus get a free CARFAX report, view the original window sticker, maybe grab some financing options, or get a shipping quote to ship the Ram anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of this video, you'll be able to hear the diesel engine running on this Bighorn. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Okay, this should be a very quick walk around on the Bighorn because it's got almost nothing going on with it. There's great tread on the tires. There is a chip right there, pretty small and minor. Another one here, very, very small. Maybe a couple more right in here. Be expected in a 3-year-old truck. But as you can see, as I'm going down the side, there's no dents, dings, heavy scratches, anything going on the passenger side to worry about. The wheels are in great condition. There is a slight ding, which is real hard to see, but you can see it right here at the very top of the tailgate. Other than that, it also is in great shape. Hard tonneau cover there. As you can see, driver's side just as clean as the passenger side. And then the roof. For a 3-year-old 2500 diesel, this is in well above average condition. And if you're looking for a full-size diesel truck, this is one to consider. Let's take a look at the interior, shall we? All right, showing you what doesn't show up in our photos, which is, as always, this side of the visor, the headliner, both of which like new condition, just as the top of the dash is. It's also a non-smoker, I can tell. And if you have any questions at all about the condition or any finance options, shipping quotes, any of that, please give a call to the number at the top of your screen. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have.